Struggling with manual tasks and disconnected apps? Let's explore a solution that could streamline your entire digital workflow. This is an overview of Make.com, the visual workflow automation platform. Make provides a space where you visually create automated scenarios connecting your favorite apps and services to work together. You build by placing modules in a sequence, with each module performing an action like reading, searching, updating, or creating data in your connected apps. The platform supports an immense number of applications, ensuring you can link your marketing tools, databases, AI models, and communication software into a cohesive system. Its power lies in features like error handling, data stores, and the ability to parse complex data structures, giving you fine-grained control. On the positive side, it offers unparalleled flexibility for building multi-step automations, real-time execution, and powerful data transformation tools. On the downside, beginners might find the interface overwhelming compared to simpler competitors, and designing error-proof scenarios requires careful planning and testing. Make.com offers a tiered pricing structure based primarily on credits per month. The free plan is for individuals starting out, offering 1,000 credits with basic features. The core plan for freelancers includes unlimited active scenarios and more control over scheduling. The recommended Pro plan adds priority execution and full logs for growing business needs. The Teams plan introduces collaboration features like team roles and shared templates for small businesses. Finally, the Enterprise tier includes custom functions, 24/7 dedicated support, and advanced security for organizations running critical processes. Goodbye, everyone.